Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm doing a maintenance routine. Right now I'm doing a mini pedicure using Tea Hunt Tahitian Vanilla Bean Shea Sugar Scrub. This sugar scrub is really nice. It gets rid of, any dead skin that I have on my feet, and it's very moisturizing. I really like it. So after I finish with the sugar scrub, I just pat dry and then I use any type of moisturizer. This one is a Trader Joe's moisturizer that I've used and I've shown you guys in a previous video. So I didn't want anything like really heavy because I was going to go ahead and paint my toenails right after. I really love white polish. I've been having problems with it streaking, and it really doesn't seem to matter what brand I use. So this time I didn't use a base coat because I was going to see if that helped some. Of course, it did not, but it was worth a try anyway. Latoya Ebony just did a video recently about using a matte polish as a base coat, and I think that helped. So that's going to be my next try. So now I'm just going to clean up a little bit using nail polish remover and Q-tips. For some reason, it seems like the white polish is so much more messy than the other polishes. I don't know if it's thicker or what it is, but yeah, I always have like to do a really major cleanup after using white polish. So now I'm going to move on and do my lashes. I'm using the Ardell Lash Trios. I love these lashes. They go on so easily and I can get them done very fast. I also use a lash applicator and the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive. I usually get these lashes in just short, but they were out of short, so I'm using the short and the medium. I'll use the short in the inner corner and then go out and use the longer lashes, the medium ones, once I reach the middle of my eye on out. And then we're going to move on to my other eye, and I'm going to speed this up for you guys. So once the glue dries a little bit more on the other eye, I go back and I take the lash applicator and I just clamp it down on my the base of the lashes to make sure that they're really secure. So guys, that's it for my lashes, and I really didn't use that many. So now I'm going to move on to do a manicure, and I'm using the Kiss and Press On manicure, and it's in One More Chance. Now I'm going to do Shea Moisture's African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask. I noticed that I've been having a little bit of a breakout. It's probably because I've been wearing foundation a little more than normal. So I'm going to use the silicone face mask applicators. These are great. I absolutely love these. And they just go on really smooth and you don't have to, get your product all under your nails. After I finish applying, then I let the product sit for 10 minutes and rinse off. I'm going to finish my skincare routine and go on with Laneige Water Bank Moisturizing Cream. I actually love this line. Now I'm going to use the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. And after that, I'm going to go in and use the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. So guys, that's it for my maintenance routine. Subscribe to see more hair, beauty, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Stay healthy and happy, guys, and keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.